The goal of doing Reconnaissance is to be able to figure out with a set of common tools if there are any issues or open doors for hackers to exploit. In this stage, you evaluate your code. So let's go ahead and open up the project that we just set inside of VS Code. So you can drag and drop inside of VS Code. And on Windows, you can right-click on the folder and open it in VS Code. And once we have this open here, what we could do is bring up the terminal. So click on View, Terminal, and then do an npm install. The very first step is to go through any messages the console log could be telling you. When there are messages related to dependencies being deprecated, act on them immediately. So when we first do an npm install with our project, you'll see already some issues with npm audit. So you can do an npm audit to get a little bit more information on these issues. And if you take a look at the list, any of these issues could be exploited. Then you'll also want to use the latest versions of the dependencies. If they break your code, figure out why, as in most cases, the owner of this package fixed some inherent issues in the code, and you may want to update your syntax to the latest if anything breaks your own application. So if we take a look at the current messages, most likely if we update the React dependencies, we may avoid these messages. The advantage that you have over a hacker is the ability to see your code and therefore improve it if any danger lurks in your application. Linters are good to help improve your writing style and cleanliness of your code, but in most cases, they won't catch security issues. You need better tools for that. And this is where tools like Snyk, Retire.js, and App Sensor comes into play, and we'll explore these tools shortly. The exercises done in this chapter are exactly for this purpose, to do some reconnaissance and figure out any potential dangers.